Lulu. Hi, Pumpkin. Hey, baby. What you doing? You want to come out? Yeah. You want to come out of your cage, darling? Yeah. Who's the pretty bird? Hey? Who's the pretty bird? Peekaboo. Lulu. You want to come out? Oh, look at the pretty baby. Look at the pretty girl. Lulu. Hello. Hello. What's Jojo doing? Hi, darling. How are you? You mommy's boy? Yeah. Mommy's boy. You good boy? You're a good boy. Who's a pretty bird? Who's the pretty bird? I'll focus in on his toes and I'll show you. See what I'm talking about his toes? Yeah. Poor little pumpkin. There's his beautiful little face. Oh yeah, you little chubby jacker. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.